No roof yet, but yeah, we have again a crazy amount of rain, and I discovered this is quite effective. Almost done. Much better. So yeah, quite a bit of water out. Looks as the same amount of wetness here, but you can see that this is now a dry spot, and this whole edge is dry. Like if the spot is a tiny bit higher, it's dry. So yeah. And the kitchen tends to be a tiny bit higher. This I'm not gonna do. Let me do this one off camera. And this one. Really helps with keeping your feet dry, and I think the company would also like it to work in a little bit more dry environment. The Polish summers are actually quite wet. They're really hot, so you don't really notice it. And even though, according to statistics, the summers are really wet in Poland, we tend to still need to water the lawn, and yeah, we still have a water shortage in the summer. It's not a huge one, but yeah, it's still. Well, so hopefully the winter is dry, because if I don't have a roof, that's no bueno. Let me get back to you when we're further.